Hello and welcome to Cube Intelligence's guide to creating your personal MyEtherWallet to accept the Cube tokens at the airdrop. First, let's access the MyEtherWallet site. MyEtherWallet has a lot of phishing sites, so please be careful you get the correct one. This is the correct site here. Please check the address to make sure that it has .com at the end and nothing strange like an L or an I is changed. When you access the site, you'll see this screen. This is where we will make a wallet to use in the future. Enter a password for this specific wallet. There you go. You should never forget your password or share it with anyone else. Once you have created this password, please click Create New Wallet and you'll see the following screen. Now you can download the file by pressing Download JSTOR file so that you can open that wallet with your password next time. Let's scroll down and then press I understand to continue. You will be presented with this private key. With this private key, anyone can open your wallet and take the contents and balance out of this wallet. Therefore, do not share this private key anywhere. If you decide to print a paper wallet, then make sure to keep the printout in a safe place where nobody can find it. This is very important. Please keep your private key secret and well hidden. As I mentioned, with this private key, anyone can open your wallet and take all the Ethereum contained in the wallet. Let's complete the wallet creation by clicking Save Your Address. Now let's look at the information in your wallet. To do this, let's click on View Your Wallet Info. If you check keystore/JSON file, you will get an option to select the file you previously downloaded. Double click on the file you downloaded when you created the wallet. This will most likely be in your downloads folder. You can see your wallet information by entering the password you entered earlier and clicking Unlock. Once you're in your account, please press Account Balance on the right hand side to see how much is currently in your balance. It will actually be 0 as you just created this wallet. This number here is your address to your wallet. Please copy these numbers and enter this wallet address on the Cube site. Then the Cube will be shipped to this wallet in the airdrop. One thing to be aware of, if you click on the I shape here, it will reveal the private key. As mentioned before, anyone can open your wallet with a private key, so please do not let anybody know this private key. Next, we will post a video about registering and viewing Cube token in your Ether wallet. If you have any questions, please refer to the following video. Thank you very much.